Yeah, so blessed, well. Dream team, one team, dream team, one team. And you know, it's the only real team. So, you know, we're here in Trenchtown today. You know, we're in Trenchtown today. So Natural got a time. You know, Natural literally just finishing another work and he's going to give us some time today. So the time we have, you know, can work a 2 or 3 hour here, you know. So Natural just literally finish his work. Because I say Keenan can put in an hour or 2 because I say Natural is a very busy man, you know, and he gives us the time. So and then Wolf we're backed up on him. So right now we're here back in Trenchtown, you know, we're going to try and do some local work and scanners. You know, we're trying to do some work on scanner, you know, because we already put in the door, so we're going to try to smooth out the walls, them, the grits is in me on the past and that broke out, you know, before we can run some paint on it and everything. So we're going to check out the window size so we can know what size is the window going to be, you know, so we can put in the order because we have a door in our extended family will ask what's the size for the window, you know, so that is what we're going to do today. You know, we're going to smooth out so we can, after that, now we can get the paint out and then we'll just give him a bed and give him a TV and, you know, make him all settled, you know, and relax. So we thank you all so much, you know, our extended family for donating to our scanner. I have another donation here for you. What, take it away, baby, because scanner have been a bit struggle. So you have 20,000 here for your scanner from Flash from the UK. Flash. Yeah. Flash Garden. You watching movie Flash?
Yeah. No, sir. Yeah, I'm happy to tell me nervous.
Happy to the nervous?
Yeah, to the world.
To the world. Yeah.
Lightning again, flashlight.
Lightning ball.
5.
Yeah.
6.
Yeah.
8.
Yeah.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
Naturally, you're just coming off one work. Look, every hour people, Natural coming off one work. And where's the Natural?
That's another one.
And that's another one.
Yeah.
You know.
Grinding slow but grinding still, huh?
Yes, sir. The people they can say Natural is a man always on the work. So when time Natural say Kino, you can give her time, I gravitate to it quick. I don't know when he might go free again. So this is how it is, you know. As I said, Naturally put in a lot of work for Miss Dana and they kind of put a lot of work on pause, you know, because we want to get that project out the way. So we have to do some work now. We must do work for before. So anytime we get now, so as you can see, Natural just come out for one work. So we have to make use of the time we can get right now for this time.
Scanner.
Hey, big girl want me.
Where's the big girl want you?
Yeah.
Allah.
I want to go touch up and touch the place, you know. And tell the girl are crazy. Some of them must say when them can come in, come sleep.
Allah.
And some of them must say we get back doors so they can come in with these now.
Yes.
Because just so small, you can't go through there.
Yeah.
And some of them stout, you know.
Yeah. So as they get a little touch up, them are running.
Yeah, they were running. Girl next door, me I say, boy, I soon can't talk to you. But me can make she come across if she want to.
Okay.
Yeah.
We say be a girl, want you.
I shall get me beard and all these things, you know, next door neighbor, yeah.
What?
Man royal.
Okay.
Yeah.
See,
Yeah, but me still not get too excited.
Yet.
Yeah. None at all.
None at all. Hey, what's going on, Jackson? Him saying don't get too excited yet.
No.
You know?
No.
So you see, Scanner is more happy. Alright, my general.
Yeah,
Rich boss.
Man.
Richest man in Trenchtown. See me people.
The old boy jump in, man.
The richest man, right, Scanner?
I don't bother the lyrics, you know, man. Lyrics them coming like a shocking device, you know.
Device. Yeah, man. So this is scan at the door. You know, this is where we're gonna come to. Oh, naturals. The size. Get the size to the window. As we hear. Can get the size. That's it, Major. So scan Almond time. This ready. Oi.
All along me going good, you know. Yeah.
They are putting some work on scanner's place.
Yeah. You can't take a peep, man. Me not go charge you.
Yeah.
Me good.
It's not the museum.
It's just the headquarters.
It's just the headquarters for scanner.
Yeah.
The scanner is well happy. You know, him well appreciate the work.
People get nervous with happiness. You ever see that yet? I'm nervous with happiness. I'll me hear them roll out.
Very nervous.
Yeah.
So you feel much better now you're getting a renovation, right?
Feel all the betterness. All the betterness.
All the betterness.
Yeah.
That's good, you know, that's good.
It's real.
Sweet. You know, it's our pleasure to know say you feel much better.
Yeah.
You know, so we can help out that situation, you know.
Yeah. And this is not really no vanity thing, you know, just helping out, naturality.
Yeah.
Keep it real.
Keep it real. We're going to take a look on your window.
Yeah.
Go on.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah.
$36 by $36.
36 by 36. To be exact. 36 by 36.
Yes. Clean up and dressing up.
Yeah.
Already, my boy, one back to the Japanese.
I'm getting some work right away.
Yeah.
More grandson leave back.
Where the grandson there?
Grandson.
Everything did it left in our house.
In the house.
Come, I drill bag then.
See there.
Pull the bag left.
See bag of meal, yeah? Bag of meal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Talpi.
One talpi straight now, there on the journey, same way.
See there. And Talpi just a come off of one work as well, you know, people. Talpi just a come off of work and I come put in him 1 cent and him 2 cents. Same way, last. So Rasta Jackson.
Yeah, the time.
All the best.
All the best right here.
Yeah, the time for us, how we carry the love in it, you know, you always follow it. Here and there, you know. Scanner, a beer jar, scanner face, but I know scanners can't stop laughing. Look at the face, and the mic out time play,
Dynamite, what go on with your phone? I was ringing you, mate. You just come off of the work. Look. Poor Miss Carl. What you have to say about that?
I say about it because I never hear it. More if I silent the phone there because from one of the people I call me and can't get me.
Yeah.
So more if I silent it there on.
So you're coming off of the work too?
Yeah, work me I come off. Yeah.
So see they say another dream team member come off of the work
I'm
again.
have to help Fatty because I'm a rap Fatty and I have to help her settle down there.
Yeah. So yeah man, cause boom them man at the security for the primary school is even by stats. Just a come off of the work. See me? Stats ID there. You know, St. Andrew Technical.
Sure.
See there? So boom thing is official. You know, so the man just a come off of the work. So as you can see some of the members them been on the road doing some jobs, you know, and whenever them get the time them can try and pass through. You know, as you can see.
Not sure we are.
put the door up on the side so you can see something.
Okay.
More this grandson, more see from grandson, more that fine sil.
How much party sit today?
Fine sil. Fine. Oh man, rough it man.
Get rid of them man.
You call me as can knock your gum in.
You don't want more granite than that, natural?
This is door man, where do man? This kind of where you can mix enough granite at you know.
Okay.
The silver one.
We need a fine piece of mesh.
Oh, you have a scanner, what time bomb? Green light in there.
Look at it, what time I'm afraid, you know. Just have to come here, so I wonder what I'll go and keep telling me say now, do me nothing still. First, punch up. You can't go through this.
This up.
It's outside, so.
Watch your head scanner. Careful. Alright, so scanner 36 by 36 window. So if we go find out the price for that. 36 by 36 window. 200 some charge.
Waiting time ready, I go up in that passage. Somebody seal a bag of shit. I don't really talk about that.
Oh. Somebody seal a bag of shit up. People still are fling shit in a bag, see me?
Yeah.
Oh Lord. That's the inner city thing, you hear that man now?
They don't want to see them tiling them up to date.
Oh.
And them come out tile it tomorrow and give the people them. They don't care.
Still do it in a bag.
Yeah.
And I fling it away.
Yeah.
Damn. Them things still go on scanner.
Yeah, man, crazy.
People them are shit in the bag and fling it.
Sometimes you see dog with it and run all about the place.
Judge.
Yeah.
People that need some inside time. Some well-being.
Inside good ways.
And
cleanness.
Cleanness, right?
Yeah.
Look like it's going to rain, but it's not going to rain.
Hold up your hand.
The lock now Esther upstairs, you know, the lock for the door. Want to put on the lock, you know.
Want to put on lock?
Yeah, the lock can put on, man. I know so like a one strip Esther now you can put on, man.
Yeah.
She's not down there.
That's what I go for it. She not reach back
Sit
there.
up on top of the old stuff.
Yeah, right now.
Yeah.
Put up on top of the whole stuff?
Yeah, on the roof stuff. That's the door. You take up that.
I'll go for it and come back.
Let me take up.
Also one on.
So you want the lock?
The lock in the house. I want the strip.
Where's your shit up on the whole stuff?
That's it. One is the cool.
So we say the
strip up on
the whole stuff?
Yeah, that's strip.
And the lock in the house.
No, let's stand there and spoil.
Alright. Yes guys, so I'm going to get actually like a sieve out, a smooth one. Okay. I go for the lock down at Esther and one strip the front of the house.
The angle, sharp the angle.
Yeah, then I go for the door. Let's say so. I'm gonna get the strip and get the door angle and the lock. Cause I already bought that already for the door. You know, so naturally can put that on. So as I say, we really give thanks for the time. You know, what we can get. You know, naturally him do put in a lot on Miss Dana project, and him do put off a lot of his work. So him put off a lot of his work, you know, them kind of backed up on him. So them backed up on him now. As I say, that's what we're gonna do today. So it's in the afternoon, you know, naturally just come off of the work. So that's what we're gonna get done today. So we're past the headquarters. You know, rolling in. We're rolling in. Thumper! Thumper, what's going on? You know, jelly? Say, getting a jelly from Thumper.
Yeah.
You know, the coal man. So this is Thumper, the coal man. This is all his coal waste. Thumper said coal. So this is the coal man in Trenchtown. A chocolate jelly. Well done, Thumper. Yeah, go and watch some cricket, Thumper.
Yeah, man, cricket, I watch my Western, the young side.
Oh, the young side. Them now too well, you know. Yeah.
Not bad man on the bike.
Square leg comes into the circle. The man in the circle on the leg side. There's fine leg as well. Has more protection now if he goes on the other leg.
So this is, so people, this is where Tompa live, you know. Tompa sell coal and he sell jelly. This is where Tompa lives, you know, in Trenchtown. So this is a business one do. He sell coal, you know, sell the coal.
Out of the outside edge. Jump to the vacant turn man before. No quarter base this time. And that's what happens when luck isn't going your way. Good little cameo so far from Damian, the skipper.
17 from the over. Biggest of the innings so far.
Tompa, I'm going to leave the coconut there so because I'm not going to eat a part.
Into the pitch again.
Tompa,
Nine young.
relax,
What a stop this has been. 20 from the first six and then we're going. Amazing maneuvering of the field. 297 for 6.
6 ball.
297 for 6. That's not good, man, Tompa.
16, 15, 18, I find them there.
Yeah. Or the academy.
Yeah.
Alright then, Tompa. Me pass back,
Yeah,
yeah?
man.
Respect. Yeah, I got a bush. Yeah, I hold it a quote. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and more. So Tompa the coal man in Trenchtown. Alright, Tompa.
And them there that come for.
Yeah.
Take say something heavy.
I want.
Look at them say I come for heavy.
Oh, do it. I want a piece of strip put up on the oyster. So let me see. Strip.
No, that man.
Alright, so.
But we just try, you know?
Yeah. So we get the 2 strips them. We get the door locks. The door angle. Door strip, the door angles. Why now tell you now coming off of the step?
It's the one. Put on the one.
Okay.
Guy, that alone can do the whole life.
Oh, you slip right down the step natural for the whole stuff.
Alright.
Yeah.
You have a thing them there.
You have a thing I'm going to step. I'm going to step wrong once.
Butter up on your shoes.
And I tell you come like a butter up on my shoes. I boom it up and boom. And you me a call, you know. Yeah. No, I hear me a call. So me a call him and I look down to see him and I not see him. I come and I try to stretch the stick here.
phone for tell you.
The phone in there, so.
Look, low that the man, look, low that. Low that. Pepper, you trouble it. If you want something with the pepper, you trouble it, that means.
Oh. Who are the stick? And the whole stuff.
Remember I said them sharp.
I'm sharp, man. One part of the stuff. Don't look at me and slipper come.
Boom there.
Let me your prefix. It's not there.
I mean there. Because I mean go to the extension. And then I same time here my show too.
You find say I sit there now, I want to find a sip.
Oh.
Some come up and go for car back and I go for find a sip.
Yeah. Only so can cut off so. With this Just alone from right there so.
Where's Sanat now?
Yo.
Scanner.
Kino.
Nah, go.
Treat that written there. Get the extension. Plug in this stuff. Okay. Pencil. Let me let pencil.
Yeah, my stuff, me get them pens, yeah.
More pencil, some people walk and pick up pencil.
Max. For any viewers, any new viewers that's watching, this is Max, the dream team dog. Max, see with tail with you, but this is Max, right? He's a good dream team dog, right? Dream team dog. And we have a lot of almond. The last one to eat almond. These are a lot of almonds. Pure almond. Where the almond shows? The almond tree there. That's the almond tree there. The almond tree.
Eat almond drops it.
Almond drops? Yeah.
No, say me I can make it though.
Almond drops? How you make that?
Eh?
How you make that?
Alright, where you do? You see the almond in this?
Mm-hmm.
You oxytol. And the oxytol, you put it for it dry. Have like crispy there in it. And then you put the ginger.
See a dry one, that dry one, yeah?
Yes.
I remember so we used to eat them.
Yeah, man.
Them dry like this.
A country me go learn to make all that. You broke it.
And take out the seed out of it.
Take out the seed.
Sure. Some used to eat it. Almond.
Eat stuff. But almond drops are body salt drops. Like how you have coconut drops. Yes.
Yeah.
Same way it make in a sense. Right, them are the things I take out.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
That's the seed.
This is what you eat. This is what you.
Yeah.
This is the nuts out of the almond. When you take out that now, you put them to dry.
Yeah.
And then dry, you grate your ginger. Put it on my water. And you add the sugar in it. When it all go done.
Yeah.
Before you put the drops, it gets soft.
Just like coconut drops.
Yes. You can't make it too cooking it too quick. Else it gets soft.
Yeah.
When it's ready now, when you eat it, it have that crunchy taste.
Okay.
Yeah, man. I'm going to make it one day and show it to the people.
Yeah, man.
Look some jobs.
I hold it for them. I told me I look at you. You should just pick up these dry ones and just get the stone and mash them and eat them. You know, and when them ripe, also you can eat them as well too. But these are the ones I'm gonna drop off the tree. But it come like so we get big now, we don't eat them something anymore. You know, everybody get big now, so nobody not eat them again too much. Everybody want chips. Everybody want fried chicken. You know, nobody really want to eat them things anymore again. You know, everybody want bun and cheese and them little things. So this is how we do it right here. So yes guys, so we give thanks, our thanks for everyone that supports the movements. You know, thank you so much for supporting Scanner. You know, thank you so much. Alright, bless you for supporting Scanner and his journey. So Scanner. Where's it? Everybody I get touch up, man. Everybody. Alright. So today just smooth in there. Smooth up there. So go on. One of my subscribers.
Yeah, man, big up, you know, man, you hear that?
Always watching.
Hello, one team, you see me I say?
Yes.
That's the thing there, you know. You hear that? We love the thing, Tina, yeah.
Cool, man.
Keep it said, you hear that?
Yeah, see you, man.
Don't know, you hear that?
Yeah,
you want us big up on yourself, you hear that? Yeah.
Come over here, come on, look a bit more. Come here, come make you walk, man. Come walk through your place over there.
Yeah, man, one it, yeah, man,
yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. Now come link you. Yeah. I'll just walk through the place. Yo.
Yaga.
Okay, alright. It's about a fast move, Darby. Yeah. I'm up on a fast move, Darby. That is one of our subscribers, you know, is always watching, you know. The man pass and say, Kina, never miss an episode. Never miss an episode, you know. So we're doing the good work, so we're here once more in Trenchtown. Alright.
Look more water. Soft. You make it. Water.
Get some water in it.
Scanner.
All the best.
Scanner. Come outside here, Scanner. Walk around this one, come on. Scanner say I have problem now, the girls them now and I stop running. So you know what time it is already. Scanner say the ladies them not stop running.
Guys, I'm flocking them.
All the granny them get jealous.
All the granny them. Jesus Christ. Hey.
Can't bother you to pull it up.
Hey. Scanner. Dynamite, come here, Dynamite. Make a code to Scanner and put it in there and then. So Scanner, you got some donation towards the aid. You have to help with your situation. You have to buy Salitex, buy this, buy that. Anything you can buy, right?
Yeah.
Scanner, how you feel space? How go on?
It's germicidal stuff.
Eh?
Germicidal stuff.
Germicidal stuff?
Yeah.
What is that?
Marijuana ashes.
Marijuana ashes?
Yeah.
So what that do now?
Keep away the pollution and the germs.
Is it?
Yeah.
But me never know that one then.
Yeah, you know it now.
You know it now?
Yeah.
Them say you learn every
Bob
day.
say, why you don't know, you know it now.
Yes, me know it now to rotted.
Yeah.
Scanner just teach me that.
And one time when my hand is good, and I squeeze my face, my nose, I see a lot of pollution, worm. Yeah, and all these germs and things coming out my face.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when you put that on now, none won't come
disappear.
out.
All pollution
gone.
And all germs disappear.
Listen, I hope you listen to Scanner, you know. The man said the marijuana ashes is good for all germs on him face.
And skin.
And skin.
Yeah,
so,
and body. Some people say
and body too.
I say goody.
Him say goody.
Yeah, some people say body.
So say body.
Yeah.
So Scanner say good for all things.
Yeah.
Alright.
And so keep it real.
And keep it real. Alright, so I'm going to donation here for your Scanner. From Rochelle. She always peeping through the window.
Yeah.
Always having a cup of tea. She's from the USA.
Okay.
She said $9,000 for you.
Okay.
That is true.
Yeah,
so
that is real.
So I'm gonna make Boom count it for you.
Yeah.
And put it in your hand.
Natural.
And you can say thank you. Yeah, I'm full of me. Yo. I'm in an orange. I was alive. You see? Alright, Boom, I hear time.
Alright.
$9,000. So count that and put in Scanner and help out with the situation.
2.
Yeah.
4, 6, 8, 1, 9.
So that's 9 from Rochelle. So you know what to do.
All the best.
All the best.
And keep it real.
Alright, so that is from Rochelle. And we have another one. So give thanks to Rochelle. I know she's having a cup of tea now because she like to look out the window, you know, having her cup of tea. So thank you so much, Rochelle. Thank you so much to Max and family. Yeah. Eternal love. And mommy, someone on the outside looking in right now makes kind of looking even better.
Yes.
Isn't it? Alright, then so we have another donation here from Janet. All that from me, $7,000 there from Janet from Florida.
Alright, no, this one is one.
2 grand, see there, $2,000.
So you never seen that one before?
No.
First you seen that?
Yeah.
That one
wow.
too popular. Alright.
Too popular.
Come in now,
wow.
Scanner again.
And
5.
we have baby just rolling in. Yes, Scanner said the first one said $2,000, so that is true. Alright, so we have $7,000 a year for your Scanner.
So 5.
Yeah.
6.
Yeah.
7.
Yeah. I'll make sure. Say thanks.
From Janet.
Janet.
From Florida.
Yeah, Florida. Keep it real.
Keep it real.
Yeah.
Alright then, I have another donation here for you. What? Tell it to the baby. Because Scanner having a struggle. So we have 20,000 here for your Scanner. From Flash. From the UK.
Flash.
Yeah.
Flash Garden.
God,
You was watching movie Flash?
Yeah.
So,
No, sir.
we have
We have to tell me nervous.
You have to do the nervous.
Yeah. To the world.
To the world.
And your finger there over the machinery.
It's all good.
Yeah.
If you want to see yourself.
Yeah.
Alright then, see you again.
But I have to go get some new mouth part, you know.
Scanner to the ladies that are running right now, you know.
Yeah. And they're telling me, say, they like the back door, they can squeeze it inside. All 80-year-old man I get jealous. Wow. 60-year-old man I David right now. Yeah. She love it.
Yeah. She's loving it.
she thought to get the grabber inside her thing now.
Alright.
Yeah. Yeah, when I say grabber, you know understand.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah, me understand, man.
So you have 20,000 here for you from Flash from the UK.
Lightning not here, flashlight.
Lightning ball.
5.
Yeah.
6.
Yeah.
8.
Yeah.
10. 12.
Yeah.
14.
Real.
16.
Yeah.
18.
Yeah.
20
And
from
23.
Flash from the UK.
Garden.
Mm-hmm.
Keep it real.
Mm-hmm.
Come up.
So that is all towards your makeover. You know, to buy a Salitex, to buy paint, you know, we don't want to go nips and bobs, curd, anything we can buy, so them donate towards the cars, right? So Johnny said we must help out with the Salitex. You know, we have another extended family going to purchase the window for you, as well as also the plies then. Right, so probably get a linoleum on your floor. You know, yes.
The real thing. You know?
Yes. I want to make sure so you live the best life. So when you say your dream come true?
Huh?
How you say your dream come true?
Liberty real. Come true. Real liberty this.
Real liberty.
Yeah, and I never get this one before all along. I nearly soon 70 odd now. Yeah, but I really looking young like 17 though.
Yeah.
And the screen, yeah.
Yes,
yeah. But you know, a little silver, silver looking color, come on now.
Yeah, the man
and my face.
Yeah. Oh, the silver one upon the
beard. Yeah, silver.
You call it
that
silver.
means me stepping up in age now. Yeah.
Them said nothing done before time, right? So maybe it's your time now, right? And we cannot stop thank the first donor who was Celia. Yeah, she's the first one that started off. You know, so she wants to start with Celia.
Celia.
Like that's a seal it.
Alright.
Celia.
Alright.
Yeah, you can big up Celia.
I big up Celia to the world and X amount of thanks.
Yes.
Tell her hold up my 5 and finger, you see them real.
Every time. So we give thanks. So we thank all the donors, then we thank our extended family. Thank you so much for reaching out for Scanner. You know what I'm saying? It's more than a blessing. Scanner said, boy, come like a dream come true. Scanner said, man, almost 70. And at first, he might get something like what he might get now. You know, so imagine when he finish. And he have a nice bed. He look at TV on the wall. You know, a linoleum on floor. New fan. Because remember the fan broke down already where I'm up. So now I'm going to need a new fan. You see me? So anything we can get it new, you know, we give thanks, you know, so now go stay tuned for everything from Scanner journey. And I'm going to say we have to give thanks to Natural, you know, Natural have a spare minute, and Natural make it work with the minute we have. As you can see, Natural just come off of teamwork, you know, and them come and put in another work. Just like Tall P, just like Boom and Prefect and Baby have come off a fair road the same way. You know, I know said this weekend is our river trip, you know. This weekend is the river trip. Whoa, 2-piece. So stay tuned for that one. The cooking on the river. Oh Lord. Whoa, chef in the kitchen. Worm in the kitchen. Lady in the kitchen. Prefect in the kitchen. And Baby doing the fish. You know, we'll decorate like they call it pepper light with all the carrots and all them satellite. Right, Scanner?
Boom bang.
Boom bang. Why Scanner shine bright like a diamond.
It's so real enough for me. Yeah. And this is not no vanity thing, this is real love, you know. Share and share to the world.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Extended family.
Yeah, so we say thank the extended families.
Thanks to the extended family. Extended.
Yeah.
Extension family.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Extend all the way.
Yeah.
So we're on our part.
So far away. Yeah.
So far away.
Still near.
Still near. Yeah. It seems far when you hear it, but the love when you said it.
So near. Yeah. So and that's the right word me come with?
Yes, sir. Right there.
Positive.
Positive, you know?
Yeah.
So you see right now we are carve out the edges for your wall.
Authentic love, you know. Share and share love, you know. Yeah, not no money love, you know. But money involved to do this thing possible.
It's getting late.
So it's getting there, we give thanks, you know. So. Right, Scanner?
Yeah.
Scanner banner. Look on your house, Scanner.
Yeah.
Are you about to do that, Scanner?
Oh my.
Scanner, you do that, Scanner?
Let me see you through the screen.
I hear the way that's kind
Oh
of.
my, it's real.
It's real.
Yeah. I keep it real.
Wait till they get your window.
Yeah.
Wait
Slide
till,
up window, all these things.
oh, wait there. Wait till they get your slide up window. Wait till they get a TV pan wall.
Oh my. Round screen.
Round, it's not flat screen, round screen.
No, round screen.
Yes, round screen pan wall. Yeah. Edges them sharp. Right now, it's gonna get the sharp edges.
Oh man, me have take water for this.
Sharp edges. So this is kind of before, you know, as I say, as you can, this is kind of situation, as we can see, This is the only space we kind of have, so we just make it as comfortable as it can be for him, you know, because he's a man coming from 3 strokes, you know, him almost give up on life, you know, that's what he told us before, and if it wasn't for the extended family and the dream team, him would probably give up already a long time, you know, so we give thanks and we're thankful he never give up on life, and now we can make it more brighter, much more, you know, living for him where him have more hope and more faith, you know, so we really give thanks and thankful for our extended family. So here we're going to get a ply to cover up here, and next ply to cover up here, and then the Solitex, right? So right there now we're going to get a window, and this door now we're going to abandon this door, and we're going to black it up and put some black. So we're going to smooth off all these rough areas, you know, before we start to paint. The Solitex is going to go up, you know, so all these rough area is going to get done. And for the flooring now, we're going to put linoleum on the floor, you know, so this is how we're going to move forward by helping out Scanner and his situation. So we thank each and everyone that reached out, you know, and who's about to reach out. We thank you so much for the blessings. And as you can see, the dream team members then there. We have Boom who was just coming off of his work. You can see him in his uniform same way. And as him leave the work, he come right here and the dream team work, giving his time. We volunteer same way. And we have Mother Teresa here, you know, Mother Teresa project who is there, you know, so we're enlightening some more from Mother Teresa, you know, where she's gonna need some more help and material situation. You know, so we have Rasta Jackson as well to come off a theme work and still come playing part same way. Put it in a strength same way. Scanner, your key is right?
Yeah. No man,
You never know what's the house key is.
No, I never know that man key you're shaking.
So got key to go here.
I say, are you crib?
Yeah.
So you put this one in there.
So Scanner, you have your back door key. Sooner or later there's no more front door because, right, as you can see, the reason why we abandoned around here because of the space, you know. For us to take anything out of the house, even the bed, or put in a bed inside it, the space is very limited, it's very tight from this way. It's even tighter this way. Look here, that's my 2 finger. Right, this is how tight it is. Right, my arms. And with this way now, as you can see how tight it is, so you cannot take nothing out to go around the corner. So that's why we make that door for him, you know, where he have a better entrance. So with this door now, we're gonna abandon this door and we're gonna block it up, you know. And then now we have an extended family that said she's gonna buy the windows for him. So we're gonna get rid of this window and put him on a nice window, the slide window, them the glass one, them right there for him, you know, give him a better look. And you know, he's got his new door, get rid of this door. So with this door now, we can take things outside, you can go left, you can go right. Right, so the space is very small for him, you know. He got no bathroom, no toilet, because this is a kitchen for the tenement yard, right? This is the kitchen because these houses that built here in Trenchtown, you know, these houses don't build with a kitchen. It don't, I can't even pass it. If I go on the next side for sure now. Right? I'm going on the next side and show I want to go on.
See them at natural.
Natural. Shouldn't use store. Yes sir.
Natural.
Go on. Alright then.
Blessed.
That was the oh, something for your board?
Yeah, man, that's how we take it.
All is well, a face of the family here. Face looks so familiar.
Yeah, man, around here, man.
Around here. Everywhere look tight. Oi! Oi! What go on? Lightning! Yeah, so basically this is the kitchens for the tenement here. The place is so tight and close, can't even pass for sure. And let me go over this side, okay, I can use this house as an example. Alright, so these are the house. People try to adjust to it. You know, these houses, they never build with no bathroom or no toilet or no kitchen. So these are the bathrooms and toilet on the outside, right? So these bathroom and toilet is for everyone that lives on the block. So these are the bathroom, you know, for all of the house them basically that's go around on the block, you know, because these houses never built with any. So as you can see, the place is kind of zinc up. You know, people try to make a difference. You know, this is like the yard itself, tenement here. So as you can see, the house them and the blocks them come all the way around. So there's nothing built on them. So people try to build on to themselves and try to elevate the thing. You know, so the situation kind of sticky in the inner city. Right, mommy?
Yeah, I'm okay.
You running from the camera?
No.
Are you say yo once you retire?
Yeah.
You go help out and get.
So make the people them can help him. Make him born and grow here. 25th from over 5th Street and Planner Martin used to live over 18th Street, Rastaman.
Yeah.
When remember when time Selassie. When I was a child and Selassie used to come up to Planner Martin at 18th Street, cross the road.
Yeah.
We used to there, yeah.
Oh, so you're born and grown in Trenchtown?
In Trenchtown, right, yeah.
Yeah, because we gotta explain to them that these houses, you know, they never built with no bathroom or no toilet or any kitchen. So these was the bathroom and toilet.
These was the 12 shillings a
12
month.
shillings.
12 shillings, my mother used to go and pay right up at 6th Street. At 6th Street right there, they used to have a little place. And you pay 12 shillings for one of the rooms. Yeah, and sometimes when some of the family them are 6 and 7 children in a one little room. Sometimes we have to use the cellar.
These are called cellar, right?
Yeah, the cellar for that some of the children them can sleep under the cellar.
Okay.
As a bed, yeah.
So come here. So when she talk about the cellar, she's talking about underneath here.
Underneath the cellar, there.
This is what them call underneath the cellar.
Yeah.
So this is
under the cellar, and the children sometimes the parents are about 10 picnic, 9 picnic. And so because first time my parents them know about birth control and stuff.
Yeah,
them just have children.
Have children, so and the one room could hold
so much.
And like children then,
so some of them are under the cellar.
So literally here, so most of the children have to go underneath the house bottom, which is and sleep. Because they used to put cardboard and them things that underneath it, right?
Yeah.
And let's lock it up.
Sleep on the cellar. Everybody eat one piece of banana. Sometimes we have porridge. But I used to cook porridge every day. Every day my friend run come from up at Trenchtown school and run come from my porridge. I drink my porridge before run go back at school.
So you used to go to Trenchtown school as well too?
Yeah.
So tell me something about Trenchtown school. How was it Trenchtown in your days growing up?
With Trenchtown school we have 32 classes. We take common entrance, and so we pass at Trenchtown, go to Trenchtown comprehensive. And we pass and we go to comprehensive, and then when we go off to comprehensive, then we expand and go other places like. Yeah, but so that was it. We come from play center over there. So was over there was the local prep school for we get the children. Yeah, we was our local prep school. From prep school we end up going to Trenchtown. We live in the area. We go to Trenchtown primary. We live at Johnstown, go to Johnstown primary. And so we pass from Trenchtown primary because we have exam now. we go to Trenchtown conference. But never have no all age and then second.
Never know all the way and something there.
And second.
But me like so are you the one design this yourself, right? You try to build it up or you just
Yeah. No, this was a one room, you know. I add on everybody is a 12 shilling a month house. 12 shilling, one little room. It cut off right there, so everybody live in that little one little room. It part off the people, the government part off with that door in the middle. Yeah, we live over and people live one room. I pay 12 shilling.
Yeah.
Go for 6th Street up there, so we used to go pay 12 shilling. But after the war, one lady was going up for 6th Street to go pay, and the jungle boy them start. We used to a backland, so we used to play, you know.
In the politics time.
Yeah, when politics and pay Michael Manley and Siago. We used to fling some stone. We used to fling a stone and we fling Jesus to come like we exercise, because we used to love them because stuff there before the gun them come in.
Okay. And the gun changed the whole scenario of everything now. No more stone flinging, it's bullet flying. Bullet flying. So are you add on this for yourself?
Yeah, me add on this, yeah.
Okay, so basically you add it on, you know. So you put on what's that, the kitchen there?
Yeah, the kitchen, and then add on one little room because those two I do like my mother understand add on one little part that we have the children, them have them separate room and we have our separate room.
Yes. Because me know say this is a room and then you add on right here for another room.
Yeah, for another room, yeah.
And then right there now you have. So me never get your name. What's your name? Never get your name.
Banner. May
Banner.
Yeah, May Banner.
May Banner.
Yeah.
That name sound like a real long time name. May Banner.
Yeah, because my son, you tell about my son too. With the May Banner. My mother have 10 of 9. My mother did have 5 children, and when she have 5 boys before she get me, and when she said she not get no boy, and she get one little girl, she said she called me May. Why she called me May? My May live or my May die.
Okay.
That's why my name them name. She give me the name May. Yeah.
Okay. Well, it was nice. It was nice speaking to you, May Banner.
Yeah, nice.
Thank you so much. You know.
Yeah.
And I like your spirit, you know.
Okay.
We'll have more conversation while we're here doing some work then,
Yeah.
So take care and have a blessed day, Miss May Banner. Yeah, so as you hear the history and the story, I go back here in the future. It's kinda you're hot. You know a fan, you still get a fan, yeah?
Yeah.
You still get a fan, because the fan burn up.
Dead.
So I get one more light.
And that's something dead too.
Now what's that light?
On the side, that's
the light, the socket.
Yeah, the socket dead.
Okay, so it's kinda your wall smooth now. Edges. Whoa! Oh, chef is here.
Yes, man, I'm going.
So just come on for the work.
Yeah, still,
We'll buy them on the 9 to 5.
So we don't build a wall, man. So wall I build up, so you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
This is the Great Wall of China.
Yeah, man. That's it come like, you know. So I got a pre-mixture for doing it, but you know, just have folks and done it, you know.
Yeah, we have the remix, man.
Yeah, man.
And still have live parks up there, you know, the real remix that, you know.
Alright, them man, the mix and I bring the bucket, them, you know.
Yeah, bucket.
Yeah, man, be a bucket.
Oh, chef look tired outside.
Yeah, man, come just bring down about 6 bags of cement, you know.
Yeah. Strong, man.
Yeah, man, we just there going to hold it, you know.
They say ready for the river trip?
Yeah, man, long time, man, because I tell Latisha to put herself, she have her 2-piece, she get mad. You have to buy 2-piece for your bite. So just tell me, I tell you. So, he be ready, look for rest, everybody ready, you know.
Tell us I'm already ain't giving them money for buying on.
Let's see, or if you're not giving money for buying on, yeah.
Things so alright for them, man, you know, so I'll start there, you know.
Rasta Jackson on the river. Jeez! Hey, drop out the locks. Yeah, water there.
Yeah, man, so it's a nice, you know.
Yeah, choke out.
Go along to there, wait feet, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, see so, it'll come, you know.
Yes. So that's what I said, you know, the man a lot, because normally he don't make no one cook on the river. or anything, you see me? So him allowed us we can cook, you see me? I would tell them to go bring drink, you know, because them have them bar and things. So him say alright, them allowed us to do that as well too. Because normally they just pay for going like $500 for adult and kids $200. You know, so the adult just walk with 5 bills, if kids there just walk with that 2 bills and we'll go and enjoy ourselves. And no say we don't do just clean up at the man place because they can say the place is nice.
Alright.
So hopefully when I get no rain. Yeah.
Alright.
Hopefully when I get no rain, because me them say tropical storm I develop. You brother?
Yeah.
You about it?
Tropical storm, after rain a fall, we don't think same way. You see, because after rain, when else one who rain a fall like, you know?
No, rain fall and start called more pull it off.
Yeah.
Pull it off. You don't take your camera.
Because you know the river come down. You see, so the water now goes clear. Yeah.
So we just feel Rastafari, this guy that just come through nice. A long time the beat to go on and the thing for go on. Nice, huh? Everything happen nice everywhere.
Come catch me, just come out of the water.
Yeah. I have to bring a ball because it'll be nice, you know, we can play all ball, you know.
Not a ball.
Yeah, no ball.
Yeah,
ball? In a puncher? Let's bring it come, man. Bring it come, we'll pump it up. Me have pump. You know, let's play some Kimmage. You know, the place nice, you know.
I see the girls and come on them 2 pieces.
And 3 pieces. So,
Tommy, just call Tommy and I stay with Pash today.
Oh, this time name Tommy?
Yeah.
Tommy, leave for alone, make we enjoy ourselves Saturday, okay?
This time name.
Saturday, Sunday, you can come.
Yeah. So don't come, we just want the bright sun. No matter how hot it is, give it the sun.
Give it the sun, man.
Give it the sun. Because we want the crystal clear water, the blue water. They have a swing where you can swing and jump into the water too, you know.
Just when the sun come out, you know, they must one side kick back, you know.
Yeah, man, everything alright, man.
Everything nice.
Yeah, man. So tomorrow, I grab the meat, them, grab the chicken and the fish.
Sunday, never rice and peas and chicken and fish and left back.
Whoa. Yeah.
Yeah, the sun, them still get me that fish like after, you know.
Chicken is still there, boy.
Yeah, put a couple of fish with the sun, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I know rice and peas, I will cook and eat, you see. Rice and peas, just me I say, no fluff, you know. Public general, anybody that big man, olive and corner.
Yeah, man. This is every time. So, yo, gentlemen, we want to leave 7 o'clock, the latest. You know, the bus will reach from 5:36. Yeah, we have to leave here early. Yeah, very early we're leaving, so we don't say no late thing. Yeah. So if I bring the course too, I'll get the cone as well from the people. Natisha rolling in.
Evening.
Me ear say you have your 2-piece. Wow, come here and tell it and say you have your 2-piece.
When you buy 2-piece, give me for you to have 2-piece.
Whoa! Natisha say if you buy her 2-piece. Eh? I see him smile. Ask him again if he buy the 2.
Come on, me ask him and him not answer. So probably on the day if you give me it from now, I have it. I can't give a sure for unsure, I don't know if I will get it.
Yeah. With the 2-piece. Natisha, with the 2-piece. We're leaving here 7 o'clock on the dot. No, sorry, 6:30. Yes. So if you reach 6:59, the bus gone. So it's $500 to go in, kids is $200. Jenna, you have your swimwear already? Three-piece and 2-piece. Well, what's the Esther about 2-piece already?
1 piece.
The bar will be bumming.
1 piece.
And that there is a ready feed. The water is very cold, you know. So styrofoam.
When you're in the land, your body, I get used to it.
Yeah, you have to go in the land for your body, but down so the water is cold.
Get worse and cold. Extra cold.
A river cold. You touch it there like Jesus Christ, you know what is so cool. Yeah, with the sun out. That we have to sun out. So. Natural. Scanner living nice. This was War Chef X house.
Yeah, I'm just telling man, I'm a long time house man. The board them burn up over there, so there was next time burn up and its face it not change.
Oh, next to the burn down, that's how the board them look like that.
Yeah, like that man, apart the burn over there, you know.
When I tell the girl come light over there, so currently, you know.
Yeah, I know man, that near cockroach daughter man. Yeah. That's why I decided now the apartment people have to go up now.
This is where the War Chef used to live first. And now Scanner take it over and Scanner turn it in a mansion. You say Scanner? You want the dream team on the wall?
Yes, I even stay alive and still strong.
Yeah.
I don't know how that man is round here.
Eh?
And the down as them. Oh man, I love you.
Yeah.
Nah, lie to you. Real. And Miss Jackie. Yeah. And the whole crew.
The whole extended family.
Yeah, man.
Scanner say if it wasn't for them, he wouldn't be alive.
Yeah, I would dead in. Yeah, sure, serious about that.
You say they give up though?
Yeah, I would dead in. Yeah, if I never dream team, I would dead in and very long time. For real.
It wasn't your time, Scanner. You know?
And dream team come make it never really my time for real.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And I'm sure you say
yeah,
exactly.
Every time.
Nurse Jackie.
Yeah. I tell you that. You keep me strong and team, keep me alive, girl. Yeah.
Right.
You deserve everything from me. Yeah.
Right.
And keep it real.
Keep it real.
Yeah.
Scanner, banner.
Extensive real.
Extension real.
Yeah. All over the world.
Some water.
Water.
Water. Yeah.
Hey, bucket, get some water.
You want water? You want this bucket?
Bucket.
Water material now.
Yeah, water.
You know, more someone something.
Yeah.
You want just some more. Give me nice.
Light box. Rolling in. River trip. You have your swimwear?
Swimwear. Swimwear is me now.
Alright. Hey. Ready. We're leaving 6 o'clock. Eh?
You have too much time. You said 6:30, now you say 6.
Sorry, I mean 5:30. 5:30 we're leaving. So no better.
You soon say 5 o'clock.
All 4:30. All 4:30. Dream team, one team, only real team. Blessed love. Man himself.
Yeah, man.
No, man, it's one of my subscribers. They will watch the program.
Yeah, man.
You know, but their eye name, tell them again.
Yeah, man. Shower up, Trenchtown fire station.
Okay,
yeah,
so I'm working at the fire station right here. Fine, ring the alarm.
Yeah,
you know, so we give thanks.
Good work.
I have a question, General.
Yeah.
So, I want to respect Kino so much. Because everybody, we are driving through Trenchtown and everybody
you
knows
want to follow Kino hard, you know.
Yeah.
Kino is a man for the poor. I will love the work that Kino do.
Yeah. Alright, so you can tell the people them all who don't know, you can tell them what Kino do.
Yeah, man. Kino build house to man. Refurbish house to people to man.
Yes, Kino
care for the poor man. Them get them package. When Kino reach out to the extended family overseas, man.
Yeah.
My word, man.
Yeah, man.
It's a joy, man. It's a joy. Kino. Good out, man. It's a joy. I really love Kino. Love Kino. Kino, I am the poor.
Kino, King in a Trenchtown.
Yeah, man.
Blessings, man. You know, the whole of we are king in our earth, you know, so we have to do the right thing, you know. To remember, you do the right things will happen back to you. So, do the wrong things, you know, sir. Yeah, man, big up. Yeah, man, so, you know, once you do the right thing, it's only the right approach you can get back, the right respect. Yeah, man, cool artist. So, I just want them things there, you know.
Give thanks to life.
Yeah, man, I respect everything.
I'm come just hang out some things and then
yeah.
Get to it, yeah?
Alright, no problem, man.
Big up yourself again, my general.
Yeah. That is it, my work.
Yeah, man, I love what you do then. I love what you do, man. Because I see everybody down in the garrison here. Because it's a good thing, because most of them people in the garrison, them feel left out.
Yeah.
And them think nobody not care about them, man. Unless, and also the older folks, them. You see me? Because most of them not have no children to take care of them.
True.
And what you are do, a great thing, man.
Yeah,
that is a good thing.
So
although people paying Trenchtown as a
very bad very bad community.
But when you look at it with Jamaica overall, out of the ghetto them, and there so where more successful people come from.
Yeah.
From the garrison.
Yes, right.
Yeah, man.
And so we on the other side, it's the cemetery. Over here, so you know, Trenchtown, you look and see me, so we're there on Spanish Town Road, you know. So yes, so Yaman TV, come get a taste of what it's like with rolling the kino. Not to be, we have to roll in Trenchtown, we just stop one spot.
Yeah.
And you see the love of the people them showing because of the love we put out. Yeah. So when you put out love, the only thing will return back is love. You understand? So it's only somebody with a wrongful heart or a hateful heart who really want to go against the good. You see me? So once you're doing good, man, it's only good can return back. That's what I'm saying, when you do good in life, it's only good can return. You know, so why do bad? So when you do bad, it's only bad that come back at you. You know? We are walk through the cemetery, so if you do. Yeah. So if you're not afraid of these places, if you see any ghosts behind me or anything, you know, say, Keen, I'm just to somebody walk past. You know? I'm joking. You know. It's all life. Look at Mummy. Mummy, see a long time friend here. When you see the face.
Pick up yourself, I don't know.
Yeah.
I want you when I talk about tweet. I will make a look tweet name too. I say, well, long time I don't see my friend them. I don't know tweet the love they are seeing we are big up yourself.
Mummy, imagine her, I walk right up to her. And I say, oh, I know that face. And she's like, oh, I know your face. And I say, Kino, man. She's like, Kino. So I say, tweet, son. Jeez. At them time, they see the reaction.
We
now.
tell you, Kino, look how we are Kino asleep in one house. See, tweet.
Look at that, Pick
up yourself,
Kino
man.
Get big
now. Nice and get big, man. So where's your sister there, auntie?
She's alright, man. She over there, man. She's in England, see me.
Okay.
Because Mummy did come here last year, you know. She come here last year.
Glad to see you. I would love to tweet again.
Yeah.
I sister, like how I see you now. I like to see you again. But you don't know me there same way. Come up on the work tomorrow because I know we have to juggle and make the food.
Yeah. I was there in Arnett Garden. So right now we're there stopping Arnett Garden, you know. Meet up on our good friends to see.
I said not tweet, I don't know, I'm still there.
Yeah.
And the girl, you know what people dead and gone. Who's on my father was there, yeah? Yeah, man. We still have life.
We have life as the greatest. We still give thanks, right? You still live over here, so?
Yes, same place.
Yeah. Well, I'm not going to find it though. But I know it's over them side there.
Other side there, in the parkway. Same yard where I tweet them come when time she come up and come live in the same place.
Now if we can take a number for you, so we can give her, because I know once you see the video, she's going to say, give me her number. Isn't it? Hold on, them put that phone on. Yeah, man, so this is my mommy friend, you know. Long time, way back in the day, so years my mother don't see her friend. So it's good for we can meet up right now and she can see a long lost friend which she never see for so long.
Watch I know, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that? Carrier Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch it now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.